Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I made myself a big old bowl of oxtail pumpkin soup. The soup, traditionally it's made with chicken, and it's also a Caribbean style soup. However, I made it my own way today, so let's get into it. That's my bowl of pumpkin, my oxtail nice and washed up, and this is a big old bowl of carrots, celery, and onion. I wanted mostly vegetables down in this soup, but we'll get to the rest of that later. And as well as some bouillon powder. So to my pressure cooker, I'm going to add my oxtails. Ooh, my oxtails are nice and clean. You're going to add the pumpkin just like this, and then I'm going to start adding the water. Now, y'all, beta betties, don't start with me for using bottled water. I said it time and time again. I've been paranoid for many, many years using faucet water to cook with. So, except for when I boil pasta, I use the faucet water to boil pasta. But I used about 5 bottles of water and the bouillon powder just like this. Then I'm also going to add my allspice berries or pimento seeds. Put it on high pressure for 1 hour so your oxtails could be nice and tender. These are the rest of the starchy vegetables that I'll be using, which is a yuca and some potatoes, and that's it. I'm keeping it simple. If you want to put dumplings in here, you can, but I kept it simple. I'm also going to use a chicken flavored soup mix, which is also going to add body and flavor to the soup. So now I'm just going to peel up my yuca with my trusty old cheapo peeler that I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to peel it right up. It should come off nice and easy for you. All I remember back in the day when I didn't have nothing, I had to peel the yuca with a knife. Child, it was just a mess, basically. And it's very difficult to peel with just a knife. So you want to chop this into like medium-sized chunks. And, then I'm going to chop up the potatoes and we're going to move on. Now, initially, I thought the pressure cooker would have pulverized my pumpkin, but it still was in solid pieces. So I decided to pull it into a bowl and mash it. This is basically the base of your soup, so it's going to give it that nice bright yellow color as well as thicken your soup. So, yeah, I mashed it out in a bowl and put it back. My ancestors and my granny probably kill me if they see this, but listen, it is what it is. So now you're going to add the carrots, onions, and celery to the pot, the chicken mix, and the smashed up pumpkin, and let that cook for another 30 minutes, as well as some scotch bonnet pepper sauce. I love that stuff. Let it continue cooking. After another 30 minutes, it's going to, get the body, get nice and good, and then we're going to add the rest of the veggies. So this is what it looks like right after I added the carrot, celery, and onion. Look at the oxtail, nice and tender. So now I'm going to add the yuca and the potato, let it cook another 30 minutes. I'm going to season this with salt, pepper, and thyme, fresh thyme. So make sure you guys season it to taste. And I'm going to put it in a bowl and let you guys see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's filled with tons of vegetables. It's super flavorful and rich. And I hope you guys, someone gives it a try. I liked it. I loved it, actually. And I'm about to try it while I watch my show on TV while I'm chomping. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.